How you doing, guys? Welcome to another episode. It's kind of late, I'm sorry about that, but I miss you guys, and that's why I decided to do this episode at night. But the good thing is that we have good lighting, and we're gonna do a little product review for you guys. BLIAUTO. This company reached out to me and they sent me just a couple samples of their T10 LEDs. So that's what we're doing today. It's gonna be a really short and sweet episode, but it's gonna be amazing because I was checking out these LEDs and they're really good. And the good thing is that we have LEDs on the RAV4, so we'll be able to see the difference on the ones on the license plate, because they sent me two to try them out. I'm gonna put those two on the license plate. We're gonna leave the one that I have already, which is LEDs, but they're kind of cheap, and then we're gonna put one BLIAUTO on the other one, and we're gonna see the difference. I know these ones are good, and let me go ahead and explain you a little bit about these LEDs. So let's get to it. Okay guys, so we have the LEDs in here, and I don't mind the Monster. Monster is not paying me for that. I shouldn't be drinking that because it's really late at night, but because I'm savage, I had to keep grinding. So don't worry about it. So let's go ahead and open the LEDs. All the information from this company is right here, but I'm gonna put it on the description for you guys. So let me explain you a little bit about these ones. The length, if you can see these ones, they have a little length. It's gonna help dissipate more light. And the famous brand LED chip, which is 3030 LED. Now this is the new 3030 LED that they put on this LED. They have three 3030 LEDs, and I'm gonna show you in a minute the difference between these and the ones that I have on the RAV4 on the license plate. One really cheap LED. I'm gonna show you in a minute what I have. And the good thing about the new ones is the non-polarity. So that means that you can put it either way, it's gonna work. You don't have to worry about seeing if this one is gonna be connected or not. Then you have to remove it and switch it and put it back on. You just put it on and forget about it. Alright, so it's in. Put it back on the license plate. And before we closing this, I'm going to show you how they look. There you have the new LED, and on the other side you have the old one. This one on camera it looks kind of like dark blue, but it's not blue. It's called white. We have them right there. And that one, the new one, is brighter. If you can see in the footage, I don't have to tell you, but it's a lot brighter. You see the difference right there on the new one and the old one. The light output on the old one is only one chip in the middle, and on the new one you can see the three chips. It's a lot brighter, and I like it. And I don't think I'm gonna have a problem with the police, because that's not blue, it's called white. So guys, I hope you like this episode. That's the new LEDs that I'm gonna put on the car. Hopefully they send me for the whole truck, because they are a lot brighter than the ones that I have. And I tried so many LEDs, but these ones with the cold blue thing, I don't know. Hopefully I don't get pulled over, but I doubt it. I'm gonna keep them on the license plate, and hopefully later on, if I had to give you an update, I'm gonna give you an update. The link is gonna be in the description for this company, so you can get some LEDs for your vehicle. I like them. They work really good and they're really bright. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next one. Peace.